Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to fix the issue with Windows Hello Fingerprint. If you're getting the error message, Hello Fingerprint says something went wrong, don't worry. I'll guide you through the steps to resolve it. Let's get started by taking a look at the actual problem. Open Settings and select Accounts. Then, click on Sign In options. Next, click on Fingerprint and select Setup. Verify yourself and try to add your fingerprint. As you can see, it's not working. Now, let's create a new user account to fix this issue. Go back to Settings, click on Accounts, and scroll down until you find Other Users. Click on it. Let's quickly skip the Microsoft account login for now. Enter a new username and password. Next, we'll sign out of the current account and sign into the new account we just created. Once logged into the new account, open Settings and click on Accounts. Select Sign In options and try adding the fingerprint again. This time it should work perfectly. Click on Setup and add the fingerprint now. As you can see, the process is going through smoothly. Finally, add a new PIN to ensure everything is set up correctly. From here, you can go back to your main account and set up the fingerprint there as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Leave your thoughts in the comments section.